Hello, everybody. How you guys doing today? So today is Wednesday, and hope everybody doing okay. So it's winter time, and you know, winter break, I would say, and hope everybody doing okay there. And today I have a little bit of short quiz for you guys to study, and I hope you guys like the video and share and subscribe. And you guys can share it with your friends and classmates, stuff like that. Okay, without further ado, let's go over there, and I'm gonna show you what the quiz is all about. So right here is the short quiz. I'm going to read to you guys from 1 to 27, and the rest you guys can read to yourself and answer the question, okay? So number one, list the four 2D toolpath module in Mastercam and briefly describe what they are. Number two, what are the common parameter and module specific parameter? Three, describe the purpose of a cutter compensation. 4. Describe the difference between the cutter compensation in control and cutter compensation in computer. 5. Explain how the selection of cutter compensation in computer, left, right, or center, affects the toolpath. Number 6. Write a proper NC command code for the three options, right, left, and off. Off cutter compensation in control would assign register number for a diameter offset. 7. What is the main purpose of a stock allowance? A. Describe the difference between the feed rate and the plunge rate. 9. Explain the purpose of rapid depth and describe the effect of toolpath. Number 10. What are the depth cut? Explain how the parameter setting in the depth cut affect the toolpath. Number 11. What is a linear array function and when do we use this function? 12. What are the three parameters that can be used to change the coordinate value of a part program? 13. Describe how the setting of a home position parameter relate to the reference return point command in a part program. Also provide a drawing to show the toolpath generated from a home position parameter. 14. What is the tool origin? How does the setting of a tool origin affect the coordinate value in a part program? 15. What are the three principal tool plane? Number 16. Give drawing to show how the select tool plan affect the approaching direction of a cutting tool relevant to the workpiece. 17. What is a contour? 18. Explain why the selection of the first entity in defining a contour is so important. 19. Do a drawing to show how Mastercam determine the contour direction. 20. List the two methods used to change the depth of cutting path in Mastercam. Briefly compare the advantage and disadvantage. 21. What the entry, exit line, and arc. List the parameter for the entry, exit line, and arc, and use drawing to illustrate the toolpath caused by these parameters. 22. What are the four parameters used to determine the number of contouring passes? 23. Draw the illustration to show the contouring path for a rectangle profile have a fillet at four corners under the following two path parameter setting. Number of cutting, rough cut spacing, number of finished passes, finished pass spacing. 24. Explain how to define a sharp corner. 25. Give drawing to illustrate the different toolpath of a corner when the toolpath around the corner parameter is toggled to sharp corner and no corner. 26. What is the maximum roughing cut spacing for a 1-inch end mill to cut a steel workpiece and aluminum workpiece, respectively? Assume making multiple roughing paths to remove the stock the side profile. 27. Determine the four toolpath parameter for using a 3/4 end mill in contouring profile with a total of 1.5 stock to remove in all directions. The workpiece material is low carbon steel. Okay, this is one from 1 to 27, guys, and we have 28 left to 62 here. Okay, and I just go ahead and let you guys read to yourself and answer the question. And you have any question, please leave in comment below. And you can share with your classmate, and you can figure out each other to answer this question. Okay, and I know there's a lot of people out there that didn't know about this test yet, and I know that some of them that know already. But go ahead and study. Go ahead and answer the question, for your class, and keep it to yourself and share with friend and family if you want to. And that's all I have for today, guys. I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and that's for the next video that's coming up. Okay, and out all of that, guys, I wish you guys have a great day, and I see you next time. Okay, and